Let's move on and talk about leads for just a brief moment. Looking down the list here, we've got Gary at Tesla. So part of what happens when we are working leads is we get to know people and realize that we already know this organization. Once we have this meeting with him and complete it, we can also convert this lead. When we go about converting the lead, the system automatically does recognize the fact that Tesla as an organization currently exists in the account structure. So it's offering to create Gary as a new contact, and it's offering to merge the record directly into the existing account, Tesla. So I will choose select account, move the record over to the existing account. So now we have the lead marked converted. We no longer need to work there because now we are going to look at Tesla, the account, and the newly created Gary Steger. The good news is anytime we create records in Sugar CRM, the intelligence of the application attempts to prevent any duplication within the record. In this case, the process of converting a lead, a person, into the existing account. Furthermore, in the event that I just chose to go create a new account called Tesla, the system again warns me and notifies me visually here on the system that there already is an existing account called Tesla. By going into the account list view, we can still remedy the problem here. Now you see there's two Tesla accounts. By highlighting the two of them here, I can then merge these two accounts. By merging the two accounts, it will show me the data that it's going to store and keep and complete, and it also shows me the adjacent record that I'm merging in here, and I could pick and choose down the list if there were different address fields or different data in those areas that I chose to or keep and when merging the records. Now we have one congealed and merged record with the two contacts that we already know. When bringing the lead up into the account structure, it did preserve his individual's address location.